xoxe naye ngoba ngibona ngathi ukwashaya network angazi kanjani. Usahleli-ke nathi la kwiMbombela Fanatics, sizokhuluma nomfowethu ubhuti uMzingeli, umlandeli omkhulu eMamelodi Sundowns. Bhuti Mzingeli, kuhamba kanjani mfowethu?
Ngiyaphila Khehle, kunjani kuwe?
Hayi, siyaphila tata, amakhaza akhona. Kubi
Usuthethe Eastern Cape banda yonke man. Yo.
Bewushilo vele ukuthi hayi uzokwehlela ngale Eastern Cape ngokomsebenzi. Ngiyasho ngithi hey madoda, phela umsingo ukhuphuka lapho. Hayi babeshe endabeni bethi qhatha ubhobhoyi, ngicabanga ukuthi liqhatha ngempela lapho. Kubi
Hayi lapho kubanda laba bathina amazulu likhiphi watwat emkantshi into ezinjalo nje.
Kunjalo. Mfowethu asibonge mfowethu, amakhaza into yakhona. Asibuleleke izolo silapha eMbombela Stadium, bekunzima nakhona. Umdlalo-ke waba ney'nkulumo before uqala ukuthi ngabe uzoqhubeka, ngabe awuzoqhubeka, ngoba bekukhalwa ngendaba-ke yamanzi, ngoba belikade line kakhulu in the last 2 days. Kodwa-ke siyabonga ukuthi umdlalo ugcine udlalile, futhi nabadlali ngendlela okwenzeke ngayo bebengayo ngale ndlela ukuthi uzubonisa ukuthi cha, i-ground linama. Ngicabanga ukuthi i-drainage system yabo isebenze ngokuyikhandla.
It's marvelous. Hey, kunjani bhuti wami?
Kube kanjalo. So akasi ngoba isikhathi asisenaso kakhulu Mhlekazi.
Manje 5 minutes cha Mhlekazi. Only 5.
Nje noma u10 ngoba uwe before nami ngiyobukela umdlalo Orlando Pirates. Umdlalo wayizolo Mhlekazi, iMamelodi Sundowns bizodlala umdlalo wayo wokuqala njengoba sikade sikhulumile before. Bizodlala umdlalo wayo wokuqala we-league njengoba ingawudlala umdlalo weMarumo Gallants okwafanele udlale nayo. Kuthini uphawula kwakho nje ngomdlalo wayizolo? Ubone kanjani umdlalo tata?
Mhlekazi, one thing I can say first, man, bandibole ithuba ondinike lona amke ndibe khona kwipanel. In my opinion, that game yayizolo is one of the best games at the moment Premier League kule season. One of the best ones, because one thing I like about TS Galaxy, ebengasincengi baba. Ebengasincengi la bafana. Yabona, I don't want to lie to you, and mazi uPet Parker what ibecingana izolo, but iphansi yamsebenzela indlela acinge ngayo in terms of athathe uZindonga amdlalise as number 2 wakhe, right back yakhe. It was ebenayo ikhona into ebeyibonileni izolo. Manje siza kukhona lo mfana manqhanda igama lakhe elinzima lo mfo, kodwa uye waphuma phana yolimala. That boy is good. Qhanda izigama ubani kodwa
ubedlala kuliphi side
kule team kwi-TS Galaxy. No, that boy is good. Yo, kubani igama lakhe? Ogo, andazi igama lakhe kodwa ngizalasi. Kunolo mfana wakwa Mahlambi ne?
Mahlambi
Siluleko Mahlambi, uboy good kakhulu. But the only guy odlala ibhola pha mina bendimnika man of the match ngulo mfana ugqoka number 2 kwi-TS Galaxy. Mvelasa. Uboy uyayazi ibhola. Hayi bra, uyalasa. Ndamgqibela edlala defend uMvelasa, ndibona edlala midfield apha esiswini. Hayi ayibe-engineer la team izolo kakhulu. Ayibona they played well, andifuna uqamba amanga Mhlekazi, but ucoach wabo uye wabakhosta when xa ezakhipha e-front line ezawufaka i-defense. Ndabona wenza iblunder phana because umhlawumbi becinga udefender la you can't defend igoal eyi-1 minute esokeni. And ke ngoku wayedla ngokuthi this guy wayecoach i-Orlando Pirates uVictor Botarenko. The best way to defend is to attack. Go to them. Ibhola mayibe kuwe than ba ufune wena ukhahlela ibhola nje ngapha nangapha. Ngize iqembu lami sinenkinga entsha. Kwi-central defense yethu sine problem kakhulu. Unansika uJohannes angazi oba acombine nalama complementani with these guys adlala nazo, because even ayizolo uJohannes was just there egamini ekhona but I was not impressed i-combination yakhe no lo mfana kwaKhoza. I was not impressed kakhulu. Xa ndisiza right back eSundowns uMudau Evergreen. Madoda Evergreen. But Mudau kwi-first half usokole simply because akhonanga uyaphambili because uVan Wyk was ebekhempe on the right hand side ebengazenza za runs zoba ngene ngaphakathi enza ntoni nani nani. So uMudau kwabengakwazi umqaphele kwi-first half he always played ajike phezu ko-center and come back as a defender phezu ko-center aphinde ajike abuye. Kuthe kokhutshwa uVan Wyk waqala waya phambili because even you can check i-first goal. So i-second goal yethu uyena uya-creator because ubenomhlaba omninzi kakhulu uyamakaye phambili and mandibuye ngondisuke kuMudau ndiye kuBasettin. uBasettin is coming alright Miniri. Yenza kanye le nto siyifunayo uBasettin ngoku. uBasettin uza phambili kakhulu akabe ejikela ukhona into anayo because benguye umuntu besiya phambili kakhulu kwela cala lakhe because uMatthew unayo itime ngoba angene ngaphakathi amaxesha amaninzi. I-midfield, yes, uKekana, that Kekana boy did well. Udlale yena because ukwazile usinika that depth ku-midfield. Becomplementana kakhulu no-Allende bendiyithandile le bedlale ngayo kula game yayizolo. Mandisiza umuntu ebe-shaky kwigame yethu yayizolo ibinguNuno Santos. Yeah, uGuy was too shaky kakhulu nje because bephasa ibhasi yakhe bezindoyikisa zonke. Keeper wethu manje unayo iproblem ancinci. Every ball ekhathelwa phambili igoli kunansi William, and I don't like that. Mandi bangiqhubele ngelithi xa siza ixesha seliphelile ucoach wethu uye wasebenzisa uplan B. I'll put like that, uplan B, because uyafaka umkhulisi. La rush mesidlala umkhulisi ukwazile ukwehlisa itempo yegame, and umkhulisi ukwazile ba masiya phambili abe khona to assist us, and that helped us a lot kakhulu nje Miniri. Wakora iigoli ezimbini masimqhobele izandla udlalile because iigoli zezi zombini zakhe bekunyanzelisa sifumene. So ndithe kuwe la that day besincokola soyi-2 apho ndathi yes Galaxy. Yes, will face consequences, and laa nto beyenze that siyenzile kubo. But overall i-game was nice up until coach akhuphe this guy yomlungu afake la defense and wenze iblanda enkulu because oku ufumaniseka uba those guys perceive bafuna umaka umntu omnye beyi-2 and can't do that of football because
uqhawula Mhlekazi, uyabona ipoint oluvusayo lami lingikhalisile izolo ngila coach Bernard Parker. Istrategy sakhe besisihle kakhulu, and yabona izinto ozibalayo zonke maqondana neMamelodi Sundowns nebezenzeka zokuthi angakwazi ukuya phambili kakhulu. Ngikhuluma ngomdlalo ofana noKhuliso Mdawu. Kune trap abebemfake kuyo uKhuliso, ebemfake ngalomfana Mahlambi obe ngathi udlala emuva, like half emuva half phambili, uyabona. So anything abekufanele ayenze bebemcuphela itrap laphana uLokhunja i-right back in, ngikhuluma ngoLokhunja ngomdawu, of which I do believe ukuthi I think experience isebenzile towards the end of the game. That's where sikwazi ukubona ukuthi phela these guys are CAF Champions League champions. Ngikhuluma lapha ngeMamelodi Sundowns, but njengoba usho ukuthi masikhuluma ngama-changes akhe ucoach Bernard Parker uyishayile yena iblanda yokuthi ayitshela ukuthi loya mdlalo he will settle for the score that was present at the moment, where ekhiphe uLokhunja uSedwin George striker sakhe wafaka uLokhunja uSalatiel uSilva obezoba i-defender. Ngicabanga ukuthi lapho kanti ngapha kuMamelodi Sundowns ucoach Cardoso kube i-revolution leyo ukuthi abone ukuthi uKekana usengamphumuza manje afaka umdlali obezokwazi ukunceda ukuya emuva nokuya phambili. Ngikhuluma ke laphana ngoBlesser omkhulisi. So tactical ngicabanga ukuthi beyinzima leya game, kodwa ama player nabo coach bakwazile futhi ukuthi kwakhombisa ukuthi no uKhadoso it's a coach who's more experienced than uLokhunja ucoach Parker. Kuthini ukuphawula kwakho ngakhona tactical indlela oyibuke ngayo na leya game?
I can say tactically ne ubonakele uParker bangaba still new in this game because ukwazi manje uthe sebambile abambe khona but wabhayiza yena to take out his strikers like George to after faka to add more good defense yakhe. While coach Sundowns ubonile bangaba the only way to win this game now is to put more people abazaya phambili. Ufaka uMailula, ufaka uReynolds, ufaka uNansi umkhulise box to box because ungambone ngasemuva umbone ngaphambili kukhona konke. So technically uParker uye once blunder nje ubangaba yena nje akhuphe ngemiyekile uGeorge because George was doing good job phana. Mna if it was me ngendifunda khupha umhlambi lo umfana lo because ebese ndibona ba ukhathele yena ngoku. Khupha uGeorge yena ibhola xa ikuye one thing I like about George is that guy is bully ne. If ibhola ikuye ezinyaweni awukwazi ufika nje uyithathe kwezinyaweni but kuthe kuzawuphela igame lo mfana kaMhlambi bese nibona ba udiniwe because ibhola zakhe bethanda uwaste ibhola ezininzi kangoba uba costile nakwigoli lena I think yesithathu because uyo wakhanga akwazi uyovala uMudawu mosebese phambili kakhulu edlala more especially pha ku18 area weNansika because befuneka naye ehle naye instead of ahle naye umile phambili ecinga ba Mhlambi they will get the ball and pass him baphume transition but ke khangenzeke lonto end up let iSundowns babethe izolo kodwa ke all in all uParker is learning is coming all right. All I wishing us team amgcine ne because yena iplan azawuzenza uzawulungisa phana napha iplan uzayenza phana phaya. As for uLitswala is one of the best strikers ngoku South Africa isinazo ngoku. It's a pity nje akana lucky uya kubafana. Yeah, that guy is good. Yeah, that guy can play. Umbona xa idlala on the shoulder of a defender always jonga i-second goal yakhe wenze exactly that thing, even the first goal wenze the same thing kwi-Sundowns. All in all ke Mhlekazi I would say i-game was tough, very very tough. I just that wenze nje i-mistake encane coach endicinga ba from now on you learn from that mistake then enze something different.
Mhlekazi something different ngempela ngoba naye ingcindezi izoba khona. Sikhumbule ukuthi ucoach Parker isizini yakhe ngizothi eyokuqala le azobe eyiqala njengoba ebe ne-pre-season khona lapha nge-TS Galaxy okuyiqembu la kithi la eMbombela. Kule season ke uqale i-pre-season of which uzoyiqala isizini yonke kuzobe uyayiphetha uma imiphumela imhambela kahle. Kodwa ngiyathemba futhi ukuthi ngibona ngathi support unayo from kuLokhunja ku-chairman of which I believe ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi amsize lapho nalapho iqembu likwazi ukuya phambili. Kodwa ngifisa ukuthi sezivala Mhlekazi ngoba isikhathi sethu sesiyokhamba. iMamelodi Sundowns bese kukhona ukuthi angifisa ukuzuphawula kwakho ukuthi njengabalandi beMamelodi Sundowns ngomzuzu ka85 bese kubonakala ukuthi iscore 2-1 and mawuthi uyabheka iMamelodi Sundowns is knocking but indlela enokha ngayo nayo kukhona ukuthi iGalaxy ayibekile phansi, they are organized and kwayona iGalaxy sengenzeka ukuthi mayilahle iMamelodi Sundowns ngayiphanisha. Le Lokhunja le experience eniyikhombise lapha ngomzuzu from 87 nje kuya ku94 minutes when thole igoli okulinganisa negoli lokwini. Leyo disenda yiphi message especially kuma opponent noma i-team enizodlala nayo kwi-Kaizer Chiefs ngempela sonto?
I think Mhlekazi mina kule into i-team zijonga kwi-Sundowns is one. I-game xa ureferee ngayiphelisa i-Sundowns will still play and score more goals. So what I'm trying to say is that i-team must not relax xa ilida ku-Sundowns go 1-0 jonga ixesha ngo-80 or 90 anikawini. You need to play. the whole 90 minutes and plus refractional time. Because if you tell yourself we're gonna play only now, then if you score 2 goals, ku save 80 minutes, we're gonna relax. Okay, we're gonna park the bus. No, we don't do that to Sundowns. If you want to, if any team that wants to beat Sundowns must go to them. I know some team they can't go to Sundowns pound for pound, but if you wanna win to Sundowns, go to them. Knock them. You must knock them, you must knock always. Just like what it did, TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy is one of the team as yes, I'll put it like that, but is there Premier League to what do you call it, to fight for position as Payzone, not just to add numbers. All I want to say is Kaizer Chiefs go Mgqibelo funeka yenze shona ibangaba if you want to play against Sundowns, you must not think of a transition or something like that. Sundowns awubona kabi.
Ya Mhlekazi, asibonge Mhlekazi ngesikhathi sakho. Namhlanje ke kuLwesithathu. Ngawuthi Mhlekazi sizodibana mhlambe ngoLwesihlanu sibuke inguquko ezingahle zenziwe ucoach towards i-weekend where sizobe silindele umdlalo omkhulu ophakathi kweMamelodi Sundowns kanye ke neKaizer Chiefs. Umdlalo ke lo ozobe umnandi kakhulu nokuthi angazi iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi kodwa ngicela izokwazi ukurecover ngoba abadlala izolo kuLwesibili then bazophinde badlale ngeweekend ngoba le midlalo abazoyidlala iMamelodi Sundowns this week imidlalo enzima yonke njengoba kubonakala lapha nezolo bekwazi ukuthi bawine ku-TS Galaxy. I-TS Galaxy ke isibonisa umdlalo omuhle njalo madlala neMamelodi Sundowns. Sengathi into efana nale ingaqhubeka lento ekhona phakathi kwenu ne-TS Galaxy since from the days of Seth Ramovich no coach Ramovich no coach Rulani abasilethela yona phakathi kweGalaxy kanjalo neMamelodi Sundowns. Siyafisa ukuyibona lento iqhubeka ngoba nathi la eMbombela njengoba sihlala eMbombela angifuni ukukhohlisa masiyobuka isibuka iOrlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs bezodlala neTS Galaxy bekuyiyona yodwa la eMbombela besikuthatha njengokuthi we're gonna be entertained seeing those big teams in that way. But when Sundowns is coming here, you expect good football and i-rivalry between them. So big up to that bafowethu. Asikudedeleke mfowethu yobuka neKaizer Chiefs ukuze nawe wazi ukuthi i-opponent lakho lizobe lime kanjani ngeweekend. Sethemba ukuthi Friday sizokwazi ukuthi sihlangane futhi Mhlekazi sixoxe simunyunge lezi ndaba. Siyabonga kakhulu Mhlekazi.